In today's video, we are going to talk about the number one photo editing app available on Google Play Store, that is Snapseed. Why is Snapseed number one rather than Adobe Lightroom or Pixel? Because when you export these images, you find that the image quality has been reduced somewhat, and also the size of the image is increased twofold in Lightroom or PixArt, while a standard test showed that a photo which has been edited using the same filters in Lightroom, PixArt and Snapseed had sizes of 46 MB in Lightroom, 37 MB in PixArt, and a very clinical 21 MB in Snapseed. And it has been the number one photo editing app on the Play Store, and also it is the number one photo editing app in the editor's choice for photo editing apps in the Play Store. It has incredible presets which really set the bar high for any other presets available on any other app, and it also has an additional option of last edit. So if you edited a photo recently and you want to apply the same edits to a new picture, you can just click on the last edits and it will apply all the latest edits of your previous photo to the new one. As described in Google Play Store, it has 29 filters and tools. Photo editing has been one of the major aspects of increasing your followers and attracting viewers while you're on YouTube, or increasing your followers on Instagram or Twitter, because photo editing does increase your the appeal for the photo. If you're using Snapseed, then it is incredible for landscape photography or a scenery or something that concerns with nature or light. If you want to enhance your portrait also, then it has some amazing features you can try out, like the background blur or double exposure. And speaking of double exposure, it is one of the most used and loved editing tool in Snapseed because it is just excellent. There will be a tutorial on how to use double exposure, or if you want to know how you can use Snapseed and want some more tutorials, you can also always refer to the in-app tutorials that are available by just clicking the three dots above and going into tutorials. You will find some very useful tutorials up there, and it's in the app. So yeah, they are very helpful. Recently, Snapseed was included in PC Mag's top 100 apps of 2018, and it in the list as well, it was above all the photo editing apps that are free on Android. And it has some important tools like you can directly tune your image, define the structure you want. Though Snapseed is not known for its text filters, if you practice enough, you will make brilliant images that include text in them. Also, if you messed something up in your last edit, so in most of the other apps you have to undo the changes. In Snapseed, you can go into your last edit and also change or tune your last edit which you did, so saving you a lot of time for doing the whole editing process again. You can just go back and edit whatever you have done wrong while editing previously. So we can conclude that Snapseed is a light version of Photoshop, but there's a low point as well because it is only available for Android. Recently, Google pulled down the desktop version of Snapseed, so yeah, it is only available for Android. This is it for today, and I think Snapseed, for me at least, is one of the best photo editing apps that is available on Google Play Store, and that also for free, unlike VSCO or PixArt, who later have in-app purchases. Subscribe to the channel, and please like and share, and also please comment if you want any other videos regarding Snapseed or tutorials regarding Snapseed.